Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends in War Machines. To invite your friends to War Machines is super easy. Launch open the War Machines application on your mobile device first, and from the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on Invite Friend button. Now, go ahead and tap the copy button from the pop-up to copy your invitation code. Now go ahead and invite your friends by sharing your unique invite link via WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other application. Your friends will receive the invitation to join War Machines. Once they accept and join the game, you will be able to play together and earn rewards. So that's how you easily invite friends in War Machines. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.